one of the most unforgettable moments of my life was I went on a roller coaster for the first time. It was a sunny day at Dunia Fantasia or Dufan, and I was feeling adventurous. I had always been afraid of roller coaster, but back to that day, I decided to face my fear and give it a try, because why not? As I climbed aboard the coaster, my heart was racing with anticipation. The coaster slowly made its way up to the first hill, and I could feel my stomach was drop as we reached the top. And then we were off. The coaster spun down to the hill, and I felt like I was flying. The wind was rushing through my hair, and I could hear everyone screaming. As we went through the twist and turn of the roller coaster, I felt a rush of adrenaline that I had never experienced before. The roller coaster was fast and full of twists and turns, and I felt my stomach was churning with its jolt. By the time the ride ended, I felt dizzy and disoriented. I stumbled off the roller coaster, and then the world seems to spin around me, and I could walk straight, and my head was pounding with pain. For the rest of that day, I felt sick, and I couldn't ride any more coaster or even stand up for too long without feeling dizzy. And it was truly unforgettable moment, and not in a good way.